Hi everyone, Kath from Cialfo here, back with another video, but not about a webinar, something even more exciting. We have a new feature called Bespoke School Workshops found on our Cialfo platform, and it's a powerful new feature on Cialfo that connects your students directly with university reps. So, what is Bespoke School Workshops? Let me ask you a question first. Have you ever had a student ask questions like, what can I do with a degree in psychology? Or how do I write a great personal statement? And you sort of think to yourself, I wish I could get a university to talk about this topic. I want someone from that perspective to give this information to my students. Fast forward. Now, imagine yourself saying to your student, yeah, I do. Let's book a visit with a university expert to answer that right inside Cialfo. So again, we're really excited to launch Bespoke School Workshops. It's found on Cialfo, and let me show you how it looks like on the platform. So you can find Bespoke School Workshops under More and Events and Workshops. So you can see here, you can request a workshop here as well and input the needed information that includes what the workshop is about, the title of the workshop type, the date and time, as well as how long and how many students you expect, what graduation year, whether it's multiple graduation years, maybe it's your juniors and your seniors, as well as the workshop delivery language or any other comments. So to request for a workshop, it's 5 simple steps. We went through how to request one by submitting a request. Secondly, we confirm with the universities and provide you the list of either one university or if you requested for a panel, a list of universities, so that approval. Thirdly, we also have a pre-workshop planning that includes our team as well as yourself and the universities to plan together in creating that session that is most fruitful for you and your students. Of course, next would be that workshop execution. And then finally, you'll also receive any post-workshop feedback from your students to see how you and our team can better create interesting sessions for your students, as well as any resources that were shared during the workshop. So quick and simple. We've had a few schools request, within a matter of a few minutes. So if you're prepping for the next term or wrapping up the current semester before the summer break, why don't you request a bespoke workshop today on your Cialfo platform? And for those who are thinking and trying to do so, yes, you can earn Sage coins while doing it. So I'm looking forward for making university guidance simpler and more meaningful together. Chat soon and happy requesting!